Hello, my name is Michael from Men's Finest. This is the guy that we're going to be styling today.
Hello, how are you doing? My name is Paul T Lajszczak from Manchester.
BBC famous?
BBC famous, yeah, Al Jazeera famous as well. So it's got some busy time in TV.
Correct. You're looking good.
You're looking better. I'm trying to do my best, yeah, you know, it's just like this because of this man. He's doing the story for me. And I'm trying to look good.
Yes, we'll trying to see if we can find maybe some shirts today, trousers maybe.
Shirts, maybe belts as well, some socks. Socks are important, socks. Hans Aitam, say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Zoe.
Credit cards, run!
Actually,
Yeah.
anti-age for the wrinkles. So yeah, it's anti-age for and anti-wrinkle is when you have wrinkles.
Okay.
So you have no wrinkles. So you can...
Do you want any of those? Or have you ever considered having any of those?
No.
Look, because then, like if you go for something like that, then you can, for instance, your suit, your suit supply suit, you can use them very nicely with your suit supply suit. No? Not now.
No.
I think you should try this.
Yes. Oh, first time this dude.
Oh, not bad. What do you think? I think it's alright. I think the length is okay.
Yeah.
Length in general, you've got double-sided vents, very light. We're looking at this, maybe the sleeves are tad too long, but that's short, right? That's 42 short anyhow. So, but I like it. I think it suits you, sir. So we just completed the first couple of hours in Cheshire Oaks. We are doing really well. So far we've bought 5 shirts, a suit, a jacket. We probably right now going to be going for some trousers, some chinos trousers. We'll see how does that going to go, because this is probably one of the most difficult areas to buy clothes for, because it's the legs, it's the length, it's the width, it's the you know, anything else related with trousers. It's very difficult to buy good trousers, so we'll go to a few shops and see whether we can find some good trousers. Cheshire Oaks is also very good for watches, so if you want to buy some classic watch and you don't want to spend a fortune on that, there are shops here that you can actually use and utilize, and they are actually very good, inexpensive, less than £100. You can get yourself a very, very decent watch. Watch that space. We're going and trying to shop for trousers. Let's go. So what we're here to buy? Some trousers, you said, right?
Yes.
True. So what we've got is maybe chinos like that. What do you think?
Blue chino one, yeah. Nice one, yeah.
That shirt we can try
Yeah,
as
it's
well.
a good
That could be also good, because that is a very nice colour actually. I like it as well. Maybe I can buy that for myself as well. Let's go and try it. I need to do an interview with this lady. How are you doing? Doesn't move. She doesn't want to move. Right, I think she's unresponsive. 6 hours later. Oh no, 5 hours later.
Oh, all right.
Yes, actually you were late an hour. So 4 hours later, we actually have got this. So what we've got is 5 shirts from Tyrwhitt, a blazer from Tyrwhitt. You've got some moisturizer and some facial cream from Rituals.
The lovely one.
Yes. What else you got? Jack Wills. What do we buy in Jack Wills? Trousers.
Jack Wills, I got the trousers, yes.
Yeah, very nice trousers.
And GAP,
Uh-huh.
I got the 4 lovely shirts.
Yes. So that was long day.
It was better on day, yeah, and I got don't forget that for Zoe, we got a lovely shirt.
How was the shopping experience with us?
Not a shirt, a skirt.
Thank you so much for helping us as well. You were very brave.
Yeah?
Yeah. Brilliant. Signing off from Cheshire Oaks. If you have not been to Cheshire Oaks yet, come and have a look. It's half price, 30%, 40% off things. So